1999 Chevy Blazer 4.3 liter Vortec. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it for you guys, got aftermarket high flow converter we just installed. Then we did a rear muffler delete right there, or middle muffler delete. Then ran his stock tailpipe and put him a 3-inch tip out the back right there, as you guys can see. Double wall stainless steel, really nice tip. There's the muffler delete. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Chevy Blazer. Here's sound decibels. Again. That's 112. There's the huge muffler we cut off right there. And put a high flow cat on it because his other cat was rattling, broke apart. Yeah, I like that, Paul. Yeah, it's awesome. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Blazer. Blazer, bro. Blazer. Muffler delete, high flow cat, 3-inch tip. That's so good.